Hello guys, I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing this Nightbot Segway helmet and also pads. You can see here for your protection. Gonna do a quick unboxing in this one here. What did the Nightbot comes, and also I got me some helmet pads. There's a reason why I'm gonna do this, because it's actually my first time riding this thing. So, you know, wearing a helmet is a way to go. That's from the Nightbot, you guys can see here. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put these pads on, and I would recommend it if you're gonna ride this around. I would you know, especially if you never rode this one of this thing before, I would definitely recommend someone to wear something like this. Even myself, you can see here, you got your knee pads and you got your elbow pads, and also you're gonna get your I will say your wrist to protect your wrist right here. You can see here, especially just in case you just fall. So this is the Nightbot brand, so you can go ahead and check out the link. Before I'm gonna go ahead and ride this Nightbot, and I'm definitely gonna go ahead and gear up.